Alright, how's it everyone? Welcome to today's video. We're going to be working on this WRX behind me that I've been slowly starting to sort of do up in the last couple of videos. It's sort of running a little bit average at the moment. We're not really sure why. It just seems to be every sort of now and then it throws the engine light and it sort of seems to sort of just run a bit average. You can sort of like tell it's sort of misfiring. We're going to start with doing a set of spark plugs. I don't know when they were last done as well. So we're going to sort of start there and see if that helps at all. I know these videos probably aren't the most interesting at the moment. I'd like to film some more content, not just related on the card, maybe some more also sort of the day-to-day stuff. The job that I sort of work at part-time is Pierce by the Speed Shop, where they do service, you know, heaps of types of vehicles and sell vehicles. We do get some cool old classic cars in there, and I met an awesome dude named Paul that was super cool. He let me film with a car that he bought in, which is probably one of my all-time dream cars from watching people even build them on YouTube when I was growing up. So let's roll some footage of that now.
Got it going, he's got it all sorted. We're ready to rock and roll. Here we go. Sweet ass. Adam.
Right, so this is a 1955 Chevy Gaster. This is a, what size is it? 468?
Yep.
468 big block. What are they, 650s?
660s.
660 CFMs. This is easily the coolest car I've ever driven in my life. It's a fucking stunning day. So this here, so what I was saying, this is a manual valve body, right? So this is a manually shifted automatic, is that what you were saying?
Yeah, but you can manually do it.
Yeah.
Give it a light punch, Daniel. Just give it a light. Yeah. Hey, we're all good here. You've got it sorted, mate.
So this is top gear at the moment?
Yeah, because it's very low geared.
Yeah.
Perfect. Just park it up over there and I'll butt it back down. Sorted, Adam. Got it sorted, man.
Fucking experience I've ever had.
No, cool, mate. Pleasure.
Yeah, that was a super cool experience. Probably the coolest car that I've ever driven in my life, and I probably will get to for a long time. But to move on from that, have the washer bottle out of the way. It's way easier to get down in there. I've already pulled one of them out, but there's obviously the one down there, so we'll get those ones switched out now. Okay, what are you doing now? Turning this microphone out. Oh my god, I fucking do come out. Way easier than I thought. I've actually never looked at the filter before. The filter's fucking looks like pretty much brand new. I think it probably was done in the last service. Definitely time for a new set of plugs, I think. Right, it's now the next day. We got buttoned up with the spark plugs last night. It wasn't as bad as I thought it was going to. I thought it was honestly going to be worse than it was. It just took a bit of time just because I was super limited with the tools that I had. And just small little hiccups just with like the socket getting stuck on the end of the plug. And so I had to take the rubber out of that socket. Anyway, that's all sorted now. I think I could probably do it in under an hour now. It probably took me a solid 2, but that's the first time I've had to do that, and the spark plugs on these things are a fucking pain in the ass. I'm going to take it out now for a drive, just go get some food. Pretty hungry for just this pie, so We're gonna get a feed. I just want to take it for a drive. I haven't driven it in a couple of weeks properly anyway, and just see if the spark plugs at all help the sort of the misfire that we're having. Sounds all good though. All right, seems to be running a bit better. I'm in 3rd gear now, so if I just sort of punch it. Seems to be running better. Okay, never mind, there we go. See, that's the check engine light just come up there again, so the issue is not fixed. But see, then it will go away. Fuck's sake. I'm so thankful this car has fucking AC because it is fucking hot today. New Zealand, the weather has been fucking so mint for the last couple of months. Yeah, we're still having the same issues, so it's sort of back to the drawing board with that. I didn't think that the spark plugs, I thought it might help and it could, you know, possibly be the solution, but it wasn't. So, how's it, everyone? It's been a couple of weeks since I had picked up the camera just because I was waiting for the coil to come for this car to put it in to continue the video that I was filming, but it's sort of been a bit of a change of pace. I've already sold this car. New buyer's coming to pick it up pretty much right now. So I came across a car that I've been wanting for a long time, like a proper dream car that I've been super excited to build for YouTube. So I pulled the trigger on that car, which meant I obviously did have to sell this thing. So I've got it to a really good base. You know, we haven't really modified it or anything, so now it's, you know, it's on for the next person to decide what they want to do with it. But there wasn't much else I could do, you know, except for cosmetic things before spending a decent amount of money. I have a twin brother and I'm 22 years old, and the dude that's coming to buy this car is also a twin, and he's also 22 years old. So it's gonna be really awesome. I'm just super glad that someone is buying the car that's gonna really look after it. So yeah, super happy about that. Obviously it is a shame, but this is the coil. The weather is super shit at the moment, so it's super loud out there, but this is sort of the final for this car. Really wish I could keep it, but it's just obviously with affordability financially that's going to be impossible, and I have no space to keep it here as well either. So that's going to end out this video. I hope you guys sort of enjoyed it, and I'm super excited to get stuck into it in 2026 with this new build, and more to come and more to explain sort of in the next video. So happy New Year's to everyone, and we'll see you in 2026. Cheers. There she goes, and there she leaves. Like, hate to see it go, but you love to watch it leave, huh?